will never forget that day when my family went on a long-awaited picnic trip and faced him.
Keep on moving. Don't stop. Sarah, no.
Have this, you freak! Mommy? Where are you? Emily? Come out of your hiding. It is your mother. No need to be scared. Everything is fine now. Emily, where are you? Emily, where are you?
You freak. There's nothing here for you. Just me. My daughter, she's a smart girl. And I bet she understood that she had to run away from this place as fast as possible. And no matter whose voice she might hear behind her, she will not stop. I say it again, she will not stop. You will not find her here. But when the time comes, believe me, she will find you. And you will deeply regret that you took away her whole family. That I promise you. I love you, Emily.
It's hard to believe that 15 years have passed since that day, when my whole family was taken away from me by that monster. Back then I was just a scared, helpless child. But not anymore. This monster considers himself an ultimate hunter, that he can take away countless lives and feast on their souls. He believes that he is unstoppable. But that's not true. Because I know his secret. And now he is going to learn himself what it feels like to be hunted and run away in fear. The time has come to fulfill my father's promise, to face that monster one more time, and make him pay an ultimate price for what he's taken away from me.
Welcome back, Emily. I've been waiting for your return.
If you like this video and want to ensure that Secret Force Studio channel's future is stable, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Also, turn on channel notifications next to the subscribe button. By doing so, you help new things to happen and don't miss them.